Hi, today's tutorial will focus on how to find your student profile and your academic advisor. The first thing that you'll do is go to dsu.edu. Then in the left-hand corner of your page, you will click on these three lines to bring you the menu page. Here, you will click on My DSU. Once here, you will likely be prompted to log in. Your login is your email address and your password. So once you put that in, you should come here. You'll be able to click on Login to My DSU portal, and at that time, you will click on the DSU logo. From here, you'll click on Self-Service Registration. And now that you're here, the first thing you want to do is click on this little yellow folder, the View Registration Information. This will engage your profile. Sometimes you may be prompted to re-enter your credentials. After you've clicked on this little box, at that time, you'll click on this 4 squares next to the word Ellucian on the top left side of your page. At that point, you will click on Banner, and then you will click on Student Links. Here, you'll click on Student Profile. You'll notice in the middle of your page will be a spot that says Advisors. This provides you with the name of your academic advisor, as well as any other advisor that you may be listed with. For example, if you were a student athlete, Dana Hoff's name might be here. If you're in the honors program, Kurt Kemper's information might be here. To get their contact information, you just simply click on their name and it will give you your information. Now that you know who your advisor is, just remember that while college life is about working independently and towards your professional career, you don't have to do it all by yourself. Your advisor is available to help guide you through your experience while at Dakota State University. In addition, this profile page has a lot of information for you. So take some time, go into your student profile, and look it over. Does all this information look correct? And if not, contact your advisor, set up an appointment, and go in and talk it over. Thank you and have a great day.